First day of summer here in Australia. What a beautiful morning. Clear skies. It's going to be about 29 degrees today. Garden is just loving it. And I'll show you around. See what's growing in this small space, this small backyard. But giving me plenty of food. And we'll just do a bit of a garden tour. So the boxes just here, got our silver beet, bit of carrot in there, some beetroot happening. Carrots are doing quite well. And another squash happening. Got its first squash on over the back there. Yep, nice. So that's going to start producing, because what I've got is around here, got these squashes which were planted much earlier, and they're pretty well at the end of it. So we'll see how we go. Echalots. There's some spring onions I planted a couple of weeks ago. Just replanted, I should say. Just rather than throw the scraps in the bin, you just come and replant the base again and they'll pop up. Capsicum. Bit of lettuce. Cucamelon. Not going as good as this cucamelon. Look at it, it has gone off. They were planted at the same time. But now we've just got cucamelons everywhere, ready to be picked. So the vine goes down to there, to there. Just some butter beans. We planted with the kids, they're Cooper's butter beans. Brachio onions. Mini white cucumber starting to take shape. And down here, got some chilies happening. Beetroot. Rocket's gone. Not doing too well. Bit of spinach over there. More beetroot. Silver beet. This is a beefsteak. Got my fruit fly trap out. That's just beer yeast, and I mix some molasses with it. So put some iceberg lettuce in. Be eating those this week. Some shallots happening. Carrots over the back. And a bit more lettuce, so I'm going to have plenty to go for come Chrissy Day. It's the first day of summer here in Australia. This tomato tree's had its day, I think. Still got some fruit on it. Oh. So whilst it's giving fruit, I'll keep it in the ground. Next wicking bed, got a carrot in there, beetroot, it's our capsicum, a bit more lettuce. Can't have enough salad this time of year. Here's our zucchini. You can see powdery mildew on it. I've been treating that with 1 part milk, 5 parts water. So we've got our zucchini in there, and look at that, we've got a beautiful bee. So there are our zucchinis. Corn over the back here not doing too well. Not doing well at all compared to these guys. They're starting to do okay. Hopefully get a crop off them. I may even pull these other ones out. But over the back there, our beans, which we had a bit of strife with, starting to take off. So this area here is pretty much beans at the back, corn at the front. More beans over there. The back with our corn, squash. Cucumber over here. Starting to take off. More cucumbers over the back there. Plenty of kiwis for Christmas Day for the family. Tomatoes. Mini Romas. They've just gone wild, these things. They have taken off. No, Pip. Get away. Get away from the seedlings. So she just crashed a seedling here, a bean seedling. But they're my beans. They're just hardening up, ready to go out. Leeks, spring onions, tomato tomatoes. Got some squash and zucchini in there. More corn, which I'll be planting. Got some beetroot, radish. I don't know why I put the radish in. Got some lettuce coming up, not doing as good as I'd hoped. Spinach. Got cucamelons over here. These are a great little plant, the cucamelons. We've got apple kiwis coming on. Some Asian greens, bok choy, all of that. Well, that's it there. Powdery mildew, squash. They're still producing. I'm getting good squash, so we'll keep it going. Bit of beetroot in there. More tomatoes. These are my wicking tubs from the beer drums that I've been using, making them into little mini wicking beds. So we've got our tomato doing really well here. And our basil going silly. Another tomato doing well. Capsicum. And then we've got an eggplant, which is the healthiest eggplant I've got in the garden. And it's just in this little wicking tub. So they're working really well. More tomatoes. That's the rogue tomato that just self-seeded, so I'll let him go. Doing really well, doing great. More zucchini in there. More squash. So tomatoes. This one has grown huge, this tomato. Oh, pepper. Tasmanian chocolate tomatoes. They're going okay. And more squash down here. Shallots. Morning, girls. How are we? Hey? How are we? Doing well? Let's see if you got some eggs for me, eh? Then we've got our cracky system. So we've got our rocket here. We've got some lettuce. Those lettuce are almost done. We've got some Asian greens, some choy sum. Bok choy hasn't germinated yet. So pretty much I do pick these a bit early when they start to go to colour. Fruit fly will smash them, and that's what it looks like. They just destroy your fruit, and they will colour up, they'll sweeten up. I've been picking these guys at this colour, and they're beautiful. They're sweet, they just get sweeter. Okay guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.